Hi everyone, I am Ravikiran and this is my Building Tabular Models in SSAS course. Analysis Services is an analytical database engine which lets you build business intelligent data models so your users can connect to it from client applications like Excel and Power BI. With the more recent tabular models, you can build applications that quickly answer the user queries and which can scale with the help of Azure Cloud. In this course, we will build SSAS tabular data models from scratch and deploy them both in Azure and on-premises servers. Some of the major topics that we will cover include understanding the need for SSAS and SSAS tabular models, importing data into the model, building tabular relationships, a discussion on improving a model's usability, model deployment and processing, and finally a discussion on Vertipack engine and direct query models. By the end of this course, you will have a working knowledge to build enterprise-grade semantic BI models with SSAS tabular that's ready to be deployed to production environments. But before you begin, make sure you have at least a little familiarity with relational database concepts and SQL Server.